Hey babes, welcome back. So I just received my Boxycharm Luxe box for the month of March, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. I have not opened it yet, like I've been busy working all day. So I wanted to share that experience with you guys as I open it, and I like to do blind grabs. I know 2 items in the box because they were my choice items. I would say ignore all my blemishes, but this is me 1000%. So, I mean, I'm okay with it. So we're good. I feel like this month's theme was like something to do with lucky. Okay. So Boxycharm lucky. Good guess, right? Because St. Patrick's Day in March. On the other side here is the price list of all the items, which I will share with you guys at the end of the video. And the first item feels like a palette because it is in some bubble wrap. And this is the Barbarella palette. This is the eyeshadow palette by B Beauty London. Now, I've never heard of this company, so I'm not too sure what the quality of this is. And I honestly don't remember seeing this palette on the in the spoilers or anything, because I feel like if I saw this, it reminds me of Barbie and Pamela Anderson when she did Barbed Wire. That could be aging me. But anyways, a girlfriend of mine recently got this one also. So there's the colors on that. Lots of nudes, lots of neutrals, and then just that perfect green shade for when I wear green contacts, because I'm always wearing contacts, you guys. My natural eye color is like a dark brown, but I like to play with different contact colors when I'm doing my makeup. And that blue would look amazing for a little pop of color right in the center of that eyelid. So that's really kind of cool. I'm excited to play with that. I don't want to like grab too many things here. Here's this one here. Oh, cool. So this is, it looks like a glitter. So this is 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. A lip plumping mask. 24 karat gold shimmer, aloe vera gel, jojoba oil, aloe vera juice, vitamin E, vegan collagen, peppermint flavor oil, golden biodegradable glitter stars. But I'm excited to try this. Maybe I should put a little bit on my lips while I'm sitting here. Maybe I should have read the instructions first. Apply an even amount of mask to makeup-free lips. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Wash off lip mask with water. A tingling sensation is normal. This means it's working. So I'm actually just going to do the top lip so that I can still talk to you guys while I'm doing this. I feel like I could add some cinnamon oil to that to give a little more plump. Okay, the next item here, they all feel really big, so I'm trying to like grab something a little bit smaller, is this here, which is Rose Quartz or Rose Plus Quartz hair mask, which I'm always happy to get a hair mask. So I like doing the Luxe every so often because it's usually a lot of different products that I don't normally get in a regular Boxycharm box. So this is the hair mask. It smells nice and clean. It literally looks like coconut oil. Let's see what's in this. Love unconditionally, transcend dry, damaged, and breakage. I have dry, damaged hair. I'm obsessed with Olaplex. Everything Olaplex is my favorite. Generously apply 1/2 inch from the root to tips. Massage gently. This is certified cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, not tested on animals. So that's awesome. 0% sulfates. Excited to try a hair mask. So I am. Okay, the next item here is, yes, this was one of my choice items. So I have been using the Fenty foundation for, this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. I've been using this one for a good little while now, and this is my favorite foundation for sure. This is in the shade 260, which is my natural shade. When Boxycharm recently had their pop-up shop, I had picked up a shade lighter, so I thought, and it was the 250. And when I picked up that shade, I guess it's for more yellow undertone skin, which mine's more neutral, and it just wears differently. So right now I'm actually wearing an e.l.f. Cosmetics foundation because I recently made a big purchase with e.l.f. and I wanted to try their salicylic acid acne fighting foundation. So that's what I have on right now. It was a quick look this morning because I had a meeting, but I do like it. Been on for a couple hours now, so it's wearing off for sure. I love the Fenty foundation. It always makes my skin look really, really nice and clean and fresh, and I love it. And it makes my makeup blend lovely on my skin. Okay, the next item here is, this is a little bit smaller too. Okay, the Glow recipe. So this is something that I believe came in every single box. Am I getting that 3-minute point? I was so pumped about receiving this because I've seen such, almost dropped that. I have seen such rave reviews. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, Deep Hydration and Glow. And it's so cute. Like, it is small, but this is a full-size item. Before moisturizer, dispense 1 to 2 pumps and gently pat onto slightly damp face and neck until fully absorbed. Apply daily AM and PM. So what this is, which includes vitamin C rich kakadu plum, that helps boost skin for youthful appearance with hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen, and delivers protective antioxidants. For deep hydration, the formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid: ultra low, low, medium, high, and ultra high, to target different layers of the skin. I like that. With added firming vegan plant collagen and silk protein, skin is hydrated instantly and throughout the day. Now that's very interesting. I never knew that hyaluronic acid could have different levels for the skin, so something I should definitely look into. Okay, the next item here is Dominique Cosmetics. And I'm never upset when I get Dominique Cosmetics in a Boxycharm box because everything that I've received so far from her company, I love. So this is a beautiful nude, creamy fill and define lip liner in the shade Crush. So I'm going to swatch this here for you guys. A gorgeous, perfect match, like nude lip liner. After I wipe this mask off, I should try that out. So that's in the shade Crush. Okay, next item. I think these last ones are kind of big. Blending eggs. Okay, soft-boiled eggs are best. Dip in water, squeeze, and blend to perfection. Okay, so they're like, you know, the beauty blender. That's such a cute little packaging. It's like a little carton of eggs. How sweet. I just did a Fashion Nova haul video as well. Before I did this one, I changed my shirt though. But that's so cool. So you get 6 different blending eggs. And let's see the quality of these ones. So I like that they're soft because I find that a lot of the replica beauty blender sponges are not very soft. And there's pink and green, super cute. There's a couple different brands that the sponges are very, very hard. So when I'm cleaning them, the color gets stuck in the sponge and then they just end up ripping because I am not gentle when cleaning my brushes or my sponges. This is the last item, and this was another choice item. The Fenty foundation and these babies are the 2 choice items that I got to pick in the Luxe box this month. The struggle when you have nails, but one of my nails fell off this morning, so if you haven't noticed that already, now you might. But it helps to get these out because I didn't have nails on that. These are the Sonage, the New Natural Icy Globes. So these, I'm not going to rub them on my face right now because I have makeup on. Reduce puffiness and redness. So they get nice and cold, they're icy globes, and then you rub them into your skin to take out that puffiness and that redness that our skin gets. And I, like, out of all of the options, I was like, for sure I knew I wanted the Fenty foundation. And then with the globes, I was like, you know what? I see these all the time, but I really want to try these because of the fact that I don't get too much redness. Like, I do get bad acne and stuff like that and blemishes and stuff, but I don't get like severe redness. But the puffiness around the eyes, I feel like I get that. The Frio's Icy Globes Facial Massager stimulates blood circulation, helps depuff the face and eye area, reduces breakouts, so we shall see, shrinks pores, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Girl, this is right up my alley right now in my life. That is a lot to live up to. Cute. So even though the Luxe box is an additional, was it like $35 Canadian or something? I feel like that was definitely worth it for the foundation alone. Now, the foundation here in Canada is like $42 Canadian. And this box in total was probably about $50 or $60 Canadian. Like, it wasn't a huge stretch. Okay. So the eyeshadow palette has an MSRP of $50. I'm in Canada. If you're in the States, that's like $70 Canadian. The Glow Recipe, okay, the Plum Pump, that is in MSRP of $42. The Fenty Beauty is $36. That is the foundation. This beautiful hair mask here is $31. So more expensive than my Olaplex. So I really am hoping that this lives up to the hype right now. The Icy Globes, that last item that I showed you, is $60. Like, those are $60. That right there is the entire Luxe box alone. And I have high hopes for that. The blending eggs that you saw, the 6 blending eggs in total, $18. And the wonderful lip liner from Dominique Cosmetics, $18, which I would consider these a high-end beauty product because her brand is amazing. Everything that I've touched, gold for sure. And then the lip plumping mask that I have on my lips right now that I didn't wipe off yet. I don't know if you can see any plumping happening there. Anyways, that is $42. This is $42. Okay, I'm going to have to try and do more next time because I need to see like $42. Okay, so let's do the math here. So this entire box is worth $297 USD, which is close enough to $400 Canadian. Oh my gosh. And I paid maybe 60 bucks. Please like this video so that I can keep purchasing Boxycharm boxes until they decide to send me some for free. You know, that's the end goal, okay? All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know in the comment section what item you like the best out of this box. If you want to see any reviews on any of the items, let me know, or any specific looks with that eyeshadow palette or anything like that. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great night. Take care, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.